Hi. After watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Hi again. Hey, thanks for picking up the most advanced video revamp creation software to date, and that is VidVamp. And we know that you're going to love how easy it is to create these fascinating revamp videos with this software. And whether you want to just make revamp videos for yourself or you want to sell these studio quality revamped videos to clients, we're here to help you. Let us show you how you can greatly expand the magic of what VidVamp is already doing for you. And we call this the VidVamp VIP library, but it's so much more than that. It turns VidVamp into a platform that delivers an unmatched variety of effects that you can use in seconds. So it opens up a large range of new revamp videos that you can create and sell. And VidVamp Template VIP Library is going to let you keep grabbing the attention of your viewers and make that attention go to you and keep it away from your competition. With VidVamp VIP Library, you can create more attractive revamped video for your business and give your prospects more reasons to give you their money. Over the last 11 months, as we created VidVamp, we've been adding new effects to be sold as add-ons for VidVamp. And since each effect takes a long time to code into the app, we planned on charging about $30 each per effect. Plus, we arranged for impactful music tracks that were chosen for the VidVamp software, and we thought we'd sell those for $5 a piece as well. On top of that, we prepared special transparent video overlays to make revamped videos pop even more, and full HD background videos to help make the revamped video richer, to be sold at $5 for each as well. Okay, we knew that once everybody jumped into VidVamp, people would be looking for more revamped effects, matching music tracks, and more, so we wanted to be prepared, and we are. And then it dawned on me, during the introductory phase, we could offer our new VidVamp members a VIP pass to our entire VidVamp VIP library. Everything you need, one stop, there you go. It's a great idea. And that means that we could give you access to each and every revamp effect, music track, animated overlay, and background video we have in our library, every one of them. And if we add any more, you get access to those as well. With access to the VidVamp VIP library, you get instant access to 133 new revamp effects, 400 impactful music tracks, 900 transparent video overlays, and 900 special animation enriching background videos. And these are all perfectly optimized for VidVamp. And you'll be given instant access to the entire collection in just moments. And these are given to you with full licenses so you can use them as you need for your video animation needs. All right, if we did a little quick math right here, 133 animations times $30 a pop. That's $3,990 in actual retail cost. Then we've got 400 impactful music tracks at $5 a piece. That's $2,000 in actual retail cost. Then we have 900 transparent video overlays at $5 a cost, $4,500 in retail. And last but not least, 900 special revamp enriching background videos. That's another $4,500 in actual retail cost. So $3,990 plus $2,000 plus double $4,500, that is $14,990 actual retail cost. And because you're a brand new VidVamp member, I want to give you instant access to everything I've mentioned and all the future revamp effects, music tracks, video overlays, and video backgrounds. Here's how it's going to work. Today, you'll be given a VIP pass to VidVamp VIP Library, in which you'll get 133 revamp effects, 400 impactful music tracks, 900 transparent video overlays, and 900 enriching background videos instantly available for your VidVamp software. And I'm not going to charge you the $14,990 retail cost, not even half off at $7,495, or even 10% of that, which is $1,499. The official price for VidVamp VIP Library is $197 signing fee and then $97 per month. But because you are a new VidVamp member, we're going to offer you this one-time chance to get a large discount to the subscription, and in addition to that, we'll also drop the sign-up fee completely. The VIP library is truly exclusive, members only, and it's designed for creators and marketers who want their revamped videos to always be the ones that make people go, wow. And it means that VidVamp VIP library isn't for everyone, and really only some percentage of VidVamp users sign up for the VIP library, but those that do have a serious leverage because they can simply offer more with VidVamp than anybody else. The total value you get today, $14,990. But right now you can join for not even $197 plus the $97 a month. First, we will totally waive the joining fee, and then we'll cut the subscription by 79% to just $19.95 per month. And this discount rate will apply for as long as you stay a VIP library member. And that means that you're getting an instant massive savings. Instant massive savings, a grandfather discount, plus we'll give you unlimited renders on top as well. All you need to do is become an elite VidVamp VIP library member. All you have to do is click that button below. Your VIP library membership will be created immediately. You'll find everything waiting for you inside. All right, hey, there's more. Hey, if you have the VidVamp commercial license and you're thinking about selling your revamped videos and video revamp services, having this access to new powerful revamp effects, the impactful music tracks, transparent video overlays, and the special revamp enriching background videos, this can dramatically increase your earnings and put you in a higher demand by having much more to offer. VidVamp Template VIP Library. It's exclusive, members only, designed for creators and marketers who want their revamped videos to always be the ones that make people go wow. Also, members, each and every month when you stay a member by paying $19.95 a month, if we add new revamp effects, music tracks, animation overlays, and video backgrounds, you'll get those new items added to your account immediately. This VIP access pass to the VidVamp VIP library, only available for a few founding members like yourself, and will be only available for a limited time. So, upgrade your VidVamp account to get access to our entire VIP library today. It's just $19.95 to start. Upgrade below, and we'll see you on the other side.
Click the link in the description to download the program.